Welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz and to the next part of the full build of a Chimera engine. The brand new Uni engine is already prepared to get de-assembled, and I guess everybody who wants to build this engine by himself have done this job at least once, twice, or how many times. So I will just record it in a time lapse. Disassembly. So before I put the cylinder down, I was curious to make a leak down test to see if on a brand new engine everything will be good. So, and here on the exhaust with the original one, it is blowing. Here now with this connection for race exhaust, it is still bubbling. But for me, most important was if this one is in original condition sealed, and so that is okay, because if you're building a twin and your lick down will fail, and then you will recognize here is a mistake with the internal seal, you break your head because you have to deinstall two barrels then. So the deassembly of the Uni engine is finished, and I have to say, when you see on the crankshaft and electronic ignition and all the other parts, and especially here for the chain, also how is it installed here? Well, okay, you can concern that when I deassemble it, the bolt for the cylinder have been completely loose. The leakage test was failed. When I unscrew the gearbox plate, some bolt came out as well from here, this side. Okay, but in general, I mean, you get a completely engine. If you're looking all for the parts to get separately, you will pay a lot of more money. So it was a good idea to get a complete engine and start with that. No cracks, no nothing. Everything is clean and fresh from the material. You even have here the possibilities to sell a completely kit with crankshaft and with ignition system to make a rebudgeting, and all the parts, all the screws and things and threads are okay. So from my perspective, it's a very good point to start. So the next thing is now that I will get out the energy mountings, and then we have to start to prepare the cutting off of this engine tray to have then the first build and dry connection to the fusion housing from Chimera.